So we got the MSR Habitude 4 that we're going to attempt to set up for the first time. Let's just look.
This is part 1 video though.
Yeah, part 1 is set up tent.
Part 1 is set up tent. Part 2, I don't know.
Alright, well, we got it all set up. Definitely a lot bigger than the other one, but it definitely took twice as long to set up. We'll give you a tour here in a little bit. Alright, so what's up? This is the MSR Habitude 4, and it's a 4-person tent. We picked it up from Moose Jaw. They gave you the military discount. Big vestibule, big enough to fit our dog crate for our 2 dogs. Go inside. Here it is inside. We got 2 blow-up sleeping pads, and then I've got the cot here with the sleeping pad on top of it, so we can fit 3 in here pretty easy. It's got pockets in every corner. And then we got a lantern hanging from the ceiling there. It's got a whole bunch of ventilation if you don't have the rain fly on it, so that's pretty nice. But just to give you a size, what you can fit. I'm about 5'10" and I can stand up inside of it. So that's pretty nice, I can get changed. Backside's got this vent.
He ate my brother. That's good. That's good.
Well, that's it. MSR Habitude 4. Sorry, without the rain fly on it. It's got all this mesh on top, and it's also got these pockets on the inside that are right here and right there on both sides. So in addition to the corner pockets, it's got those as well. Ventilation on the back. It was a pretty easy tent to set up. Now that we know how to do it, we will definitely be able to set it up quicker next time. Here's the inside. There's the pockets I was talking about in each corner. And then those ones in the mesh. Like I said, we had the Helinox Cot Max in here, plus 2 extra large sleeping pads, and it took up pretty much the entire floor space with those 3 things, but we were very comfortable. Could you fit 4 people in here? 4 adults? I don't know. Probably not with sleeping pads, unless they were the mummy type sleeping pads and you put somebody's head on one end and, you know, alternated like that. You could probably fit 4 people. But for us, with our 3 people, it was pretty comfortable. 2 adults and 1 kid. On the poles, it's got these, I don't know, plastic housing things. So they're put together, or they stay together in the bag, so when you unclip them, you got to rotate it and turn it into this X. So there's one on this side and then that side over there, and then there's one on the top right here, and then on the ends it clips into these holders here. But it's all color coded, so it's pretty easy to follow. And then down at the bottom, it's got 2 of those clips. So one of the side poles goes into one, and then one of the top poles goes into the other. One more thing is on the front, it has this little light, but it didn't come with batteries. So it takes the CR2032 batteries, watch batteries. It needs 2 of them. So we will get those before our next trip and see how it works. But for now, we just clipped a little lantern onto this right here so we could have some light inside the vestibule. So that should be plenty for just lighting up the entryway. Anyways, this is it without the rainfly. Alright, it was easy to tear down, especially with 2 people. What'd you think? Yeah, didn't take very long at all. Folds up into this sack. So definitely a win on this tent, especially for the space. Cool.